Hello everyone, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. Today I would like to talk about quality manuals. The bar chart on the left is not graphic design for the cover page. It shows my statistics on manuals. During my 20 plus years of auditing and consulting, I worked with some 300-400 companies around the world. All of them, except for two, had quality manuals. The paradox is that almost all companies create quality manuals, but no standards specifically require them. There is a solution to solve this puzzle. Are you interested? Let's get started. Going back in history, in 1959, the U.S. Department of Defense released its military specification MIL-Q 9858. This document did not mention the word manual. In 1970, the British Standards Institution introduced world's first commercial standard for quality systems, known as BS 5750. This standard did not refer to a manual either. The first mentioning of the term quality manual appeared in the first revision of ISO 9001-1987. While the standard introduced this term, it did not require a manual to be a standalone document. All the standard required was that a quality manual shall include the scope of the management system with the details of justification for any exclusions, the documented procedures or references to them, and the interaction between processes. Similar requirements for the manual are specified in the ISO 13485 standard. Despite simple requirements, decades ago somebody interpreted the standard as "we need a procedure." Since then, almost all businesses followed this interpretation and created 30-40-page manuals for their quality and even environmental and safety systems. By the way, environmental and safety system standards never required manuals. As a rule, manuals accurately copy the content of the standard, only replacing words "shall" with "we will." These manuals bring zero value to organizations and should be considered waste. One of my clients, a Class 1 medical device manufacturer, had 68-page manual. It referenced or copied the most unexpected parts of the ISO 13485 standard, FDA regulations, and European Medical Device Directive. Each time I came across that manual, I wondered if anybody in the company even read the thing. We have to agree that manuals are a tradition, not a requirement. Debates for the need or requirement for a quality manual came to an end in 2012, when ISO introduced its Annex SL. The Annex presents a structure for all management system standards and harmonizes the content of quality, environmental, safety, and other management system standards. In 2019, Annex SL became Annex L with practically no changes to its content and still no mentioning of a manual. Regretfully, even after 2015 revisions of the standards, businesses continue updating and maintaining their manuals. Old habits die hard. What if a client or a prospect asks us for a manual? Near all supplier qualification forms that I have seen had this checkbox: does the organization maintain a quality manual? For this purpose, a manual may be helpful. So it looks like that the only reason a business may need a manual is for marketing and promotional purposes, and it definitely should not be a 30-page book. Let's experiment. So by now, I hope we agree that a company may need a business marketing brochure instead of a traditional manual. We can create a 3-4-page document, let's call it business manual. The document will contain company identity, name and logo, vision, mission, values, short history, policies, quality, environmental, and others, management system scope with exclusion and non-applicable elements, and a list of documents to support the operation. Here is an example of a 3-page business manual with all the elements that we just discussed. If you want to take a closer look at this sample, visit our website, click on the Academy tab, and download a complimentary copy. If you're intrigued by the 3-page manual, how about no manual at all? We can create a top-level document like a table of contents that lists all the management system documents that also include scope of the management system, exclusion and non-applicable requirements, and the process interaction metrics. This is precisely what 1% of my customers did, and this is what one may call super lean business manual. We provide training, consulting, and coaching to optimize over-documented management systems. Give us a call and learn how you can make your system lean and efficient. Let's go lean! Share this video with your colleagues. Help us to promote lean approaches to management systems. If you click on subscribe button, we will notify you when new videos are coming to the YouTube. And give us a like if you found this material of interest to you. Thank you for watching, and until next time.